Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. Today we are going to solve the question about polynomials. Okay, look at the question for number one, A, B, C, and D. Use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when x squared plus 3x plus 5 is divided by x plus 1. Okay, how do you use the remainder theorems? When you have the polynomial, for example, px, you divide it by x plus 1. So to use the remainder theorems, it means you need to bring this to p. So you find this equals to 0. So x plus 1 equals to 0. Then you have x equals to negative 1. After you have x equals negative 1, you put it in the px. So p negative 1. So p negative 1, you substitute with x with negative 1, and then you can get the you can get the remainder. Okay, I will see. For a, our px equals to x squared plus 3x plus 5, right? Is divided by x plus 1. So remainder theorem, it means our x plus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to negative 1. So negative 1 here you put it in, you substitute in px. So p negative 1 equals to negative 1 square plus 3 times negative 1 plus 5. So it's 1 minus 3 plus 5. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2, or negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So our remainder when x squared plus 3x plus 5 is divided by x plus 1 is 3. So that's for A. It's also B, the same thing with, so B, our x plus 2 equals to 0, then our x equals to negative 2. After you get x negative 2, you put it in px. So px equals to x squared plus x minus 4. So you put it negative 2, you substitute in px. So negative 2 square plus negative 2 minus 4. The negative 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 4. So equals to negative 2. So our remainder for B is negative 2. Okay, we'll see. For note B, this is uh, AII. This is AII. Okay, now B. So B, our px equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x plus 8, right? And then divided by x minus 3. So x minus 3 equals to 0. Then x equals to 3, right? After that, you put it, you substitute 3 in here. So you have 3 cubed minus 6 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 8. Then 3 cubed equals to 27. 6 minus 6 times 9 plus 12 plus 8. And then you have 27 minus 50, 54, right? Yeah, 54 plus 12 plus 8. And then we have 37, 37, 40. Okay, we'll see. 27 plus 12 plus 8. So you have 17. 1747, right? 47 minus 54. So 54 minus 47 is 7 negative. Okay, so you have negative 7. So our remainder for VI equals to negative 7. How about VII? VII. We'll see. AI is x cubed minus 7x. So x cubed minus 7x square. Sorry. Yeah. Minus 7x square plus 11x. Okay, it's divided by x minus 1. Okay, so I'll px equals to that, and then you put this first. X minus 1 equals to 0. Then you have x equals to 1. After that, you substitute here. So 1 cube minus 7 times 1 square plus 11 times 1. So you have 1 minus 7 plus 11. So 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 11 is 5. So our remainder for B is 5. Okay, now C. C is 6x to the power of 4 plus 7x to the power of 3 minus 5x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 10 is divided by 2x plus 3. This one you find for x, right? So 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. 2x equals to negative 3. X equals to negative 3 over 2. Then you put it here. So 6 times negative 3 over 2 to the power 4 plus 7. Okay, or you can put it here. Okay, we get x equals to negative 3 over 2. It means we have x times negative 3 over 2. Sorry, 6 times negative 3 over 2 to the power 4 plus 7 times negative 3 over 2 of 3 minus 5 times negative 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 times negative 3 over 2 plus 10. Okay, so it is it 6 times positive, right? So 381 over 16 plus 17 times negative 27 over 8 minus 9 over 4 plus, so this is 5 times 9 over 4 plus or minus 15 over 2 plus 10. Then you have, okay, you can use your calculator to find out. 16 times 81, 6. We have 486 over 16 plus or minus here, because in the first positive negative we have negative 7 times 27. 7 times 27 is 189 over 8 minus also 45 over 4 minus 15 over 2 plus 10. Okay, so you can bring into 16, right? 16, this is 4 8, this 2 times 189 is, or sorry, minus 378 minus 180 minus 16. 8 times 8 times 15 is 120 plus 160. Okay, sorry, minus 120 plus 160. Okay, then you have 486 plus 160 minus 378 minus 180 minus 120. So you have negative 32 over 16 or negative 2. So the remainder for CI equals to negative 2. Okay, next. CII. CII. CII is when 12x to the power 4 minus 10x to the power 3 plus 11x squared minus 5 is divided by 3x minus 1. Yeah, 3x minus 1. So you're looking for x first from this one. So 3x equals to 1, then you have x equals to 1 over 3, right? So when you have x equals to 1 over 3, you substitute in this polynomial here. So you have 12 times 1 over 3 to the power of 4 minus 8, oh sorry, 10 times 1 over 3 to the power of 3 plus 11 times 1 over 3 to the power of 2 minus 5. Then here you have 12 times 1 over 81 minus 10 times 1 over 27 plus 11 times 1 over 9 minus 5. And you can use your calculator to find out the answer. So I have 12 over 81 plus, sorry, minus 10 over 27 plus 11 over 9 minus 5. We have negative 4. So the answer is negative 4. Okay. Now that one for C. And the last is D. So D is when x to the power of 3 is di divided by x plus 2. So it means you just substitute x equals to negative 2 and then put negative 2 here. Negative 2 cube equals to negative 8. So a reminder for di equals to negative 8 and I is 3x, sorry, 3x to the power of 4 is divided by x minus 1. X minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to 1. You put it here, so 3 times 1 to the power of 4 equals to 3 times 1 equals to 3. So the remainder for dii equals to 3. Okay, so that's all for the question about polynomial, question number 1. I hope you understand this concept and see you in the next video. Thank you.